Welcome back to Auto Nova and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to give you a full, in-depth look at a van that's making waves in the MPV world. The 2026 BYD M9, also known as BYD Shaw in China. This video covers everything you need to know: exterior design, interior comfort, hybrid powertrain, tech, and whether this could be a worthy choice for families or businesses. First, what is the 2026 BYD M9? The BYD M9 is a 7-seater plug-in hybrid MPV designed to give a lot of space, comfort, and hybrid efficiency all in one vehicle. Its size is substantial, about 5,145 mm long, 1,970 mm wide, and 1,805 mm high, riding on a 3,045 mm wheelbase. Seating is arranged in a 2+2+3 configuration: front row, 2 comfortable captain's chairs in the middle, and a 3-seat bench at the rear, with sliding rear doors for easy access, ideal for families or group travel. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the M9 uses BYD's plug-in hybrid PHEV setup. It pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine, approximately equals 115 kilowatts, with a 200 kilowatts electric motor. Depending on the battery and trim, the EV-only, pure electric, range is rated up to 218 kilometers, CLTC, a notable improvement for 2026 models. In hybrid mode, thanks to a larger blade battery, fuel consumption drops impressively, about 4.9–5.0 L per 100 kilometers. When combining electric plus fuel range, the total driving range can reach up to roughly 1,163 kilometers, offering flexibility for both city commutes and long trips. Acceleration is decent for a large MPV, 0 to 100 km/h in about 8.1 to 8.5 seconds depending on trim and battery configuration. Exterior design and visual identity. The 2026 M9 retains BYD's signature dragon scale grille and a wide, chrome-accented front design, paired with sleek full-width LED lighting, giving it a distinctive, modern look. The rear sports a full-width LED light bar, style tail light design typical of BYD's larger vehicles. For 2026, there are new exterior color options, such as ink bamboo green, glazed purple gold, and moon shadow black gold, giving buyers more choice beyond the standard palette. Practical touches include dual power sliding doors, privacy glass for rear seats, and optional features like projection sensors, Bluetooth, NFC keyless entry depending on trim. Interior comfort, seating and features. Inside, the M9 emphasizes comfort and flexibility. The 2 front seats come with heating, ventilation, memory, and even massage, designed for long drives or VIP-style comfort. The middle row uses 2 captain's chairs, each with leg rests, folding tables, ventilated cushions, and, in some trims, integrated audio in the headrests, giving second-row passengers a premium experience. The third-row bench is electrically foldable and can be reclined to different angles. Behind them, cargo space starts at 470 liters and can expand up to approximately 2,036 liters with the seats folded, ideal for luggage, trips, or large cargo. Interior ambience includes a 128-color ambient lighting system, and options for fragrance dispenser and PM 2.5 air filtration, nice touches that elevate the cabin feel. Infotainment, tech and driver assistance. The central infotainment screen is 15.6-inch, running BYD's D-Link 150-inch system. It supports AI voice control, DeepSeek, and features like Sentinel mode, and, in some trims, features like karaoke without a microphone. Depending on trim, you also get a 12.3-inch driver display, optional 12.3-inch passenger screen, and, in top trims, a 26-inch wide-angle heads-up display, WHUD, for navigation and driving info. For audio and entertainment, trims vary, from a standard sound system up to a high-end 28-speaker D-Sound Dolby Atmos audio setup, plus a detachable outdoor speaker option, ideal for group travel or outdoor. Breakouts. For comfort controls you also get a 50W wireless charger pad, multiple USB ports, multi-zone climate control, on higher trims, optional temperature-controlled fridge, panoramic or dual-section sunroof, features that make the M9 feel like a mobile lounge rather than a basic van. Safety, ride comfort and hybrid advantages. One of the 2026 model's major upgrades is the availability of a roof-mounted litter unit on top trims. This powers BYD's advanced driver assist system, D-Pilot B, which enables semi-autonomous driving capabilities, improved parking assistance, and better urban navigation aid. For ride comfort, the M9 uses BYD's intelligent suspension, BYD, which scans road conditions and adjusts damping to smooth out bumps and reduce motion, useful especially with full occupants or luggage. Because of the larger battery and hybrid system, fuel efficiency improves significantly, a benefit if you drive mixed city plus long-distance routes. Plus, the EV range gives flexibility for short commutes without using fuel. Who might appreciate the 2026 BYD M9, and when it makes sense? The 2026 M9 seems ideal for larger families needing 7-seat flexibility, with occasional cargo or luggage. Sliding doors and adjustable seats make daily use easier. People or businesses wanting a hybrid MPV. Ability to do short trips purely on electric power, good for city commutes, plus long-range capability for intercity travel, giving a balance of efficiency and convenience. Those who value comfort and features. Massage seats, captain chairs, entertainment system, premium audio, etc., especially useful on long trips or for those who use the van for business, travel, or VIP transport. Those who appreciate modern driver assist tech and are interested in semi-autonomous features. With lidar and the D-Pilot system on top trims, it's a step ahead compared to many conventional vans, MPVs. On the other hand, there are trade-offs you might want to consider. Pure electric range is rated at 218 kilometers under ideal CLTC testing. Real-world range may vary depending on load, driving conditions, climate, etc. Top trims with all features, lidar, premium audio, full comfort pack, large battery, will likely be expensive, which might make the car over-spec for users who only need basic transport. If you rarely need 7 seats or large amount of cargo space, a smaller vehicle or simpler MPV might be more practical and economical. Why 2026 update matters. This 2026 update of the M9 isn't just a minor facelift. It brings meaningful upgrades that make the MPV more competitive. Extended electric-only range, 218 kilometers, improved fuel economy in hybrid mode, and addition of lidar, advanced driver assist capabilities. Premium touches on interior comfort, infotainment, and optional luxury extras, fridge, ambient lighting, multi-zone climate, Dolby Atmos audio, give it a broader appeal, making it more than just a people carrier, leaning toward a lounge on wheels identity. The combination of hybrid flexibility, EV range, and space means it could suit both city-dwelling families and travelers or business use scenarios, like group transport, long road trips, or executive conveyance. A few potential caveats and what to check if you consider it. The real electric range might differ from the rated 218 kilometers depending on driving style, road conditions, load, passengers plus luggage, and climate, especially in hot or cold weather. The hybrid plus electric system may require maintenance of both powertrain types, which means servicing might be more complex and potentially more expensive than a conventional car, especially in regions without robust service networks. Depending on trim, the cost, especially for top trims with all features, may be high, so consider whether you need all the luxury, convenience features or just basic functionality. If you're outside markets where BYD officially sells or supports the M9, availability of spare parts, batteries, or service might be limited. Final thoughts. The 2026 BYD M9 presents as a compelling, modern take on the family van MPV, combining the practicality of 7-seat layout and sliding doors, with hybrid efficiency plus EV range flexibility, and a long list of comfort and tech features that make it feel more premium than a basic people carrier. If you value flexibility, city EV driving when possible, hybrid power for longer journeys, comfort for passengers, and smart features, the M9 could be a strong choice, especially for large families, group travel needs, or business uses, like airport pickups, group shuttle, etc. It brings a strong package. For you, if you think global availability might affect getting spare parts or service, depending on your region, it might be worth checking whether BYD has local representation or import channels. But on paper, this van MPV does a good job bridging practicality, comfort, and modern hybrid EV era advantages. Thanks for watching this full overview of the 2026 BYD M9. If you enjoyed the breakdown and want more car reviews and comparisons, just like this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next video.